Well, dear student, we shall solve the sixth problem of exercise 3.2 of the chapter Lines and Angles of class 9 mathematics. So I am going to read out the problems. In the figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror BQ at point B. See, ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at point B and it gets reflected and moves along BC and strike the mirror RS at point C and again reflects back along CD. So we have to prove AB is parallel to CD. So I shall prove this by again drawing this ray diagram. In the figure, PQ and RS are reflecting surface of the mirrors. So mirrors are placed parallel to each other. AB is a light ray. It is incident at a point B on reflecting surface of the mirror, that is PQ. Now you can see the light ray is reflected along the path BC and it strikes the reflecting surface of the mirror at point C, and after reflection it moves along the path CD. Now we have to prove ray AB is parallel to CD. Now in physics you have learned angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflections. To know before angle of incidence and angle of reflection, we have to draw a normal. What do you mean by actually a normal? It is an imaginary line perpendicular to reflecting surface. Now we will take this point B as the reflecting point of the ray AB at point B. I am going to draw a perpendicular. So I am going to draw MB perpendicular to PQ and NC perpendicular to RS. So MB and NC are like the normals. Now here angle of incidence, see here ABM, angle ABM is angle of incidence, angle MBC is angle of reflection. Again the light ray after falling at point C, again it is reflected along path CD. So here again the light ray is incident. This is angle of incidence. Again this becomes angle of reflection. So angle of, we know angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now angle of incidence ABM, angle ABM is equal to angle MBC. So I call this as equation 1. Again angle BCN is equal to angle NCD. So I will laterally invert this equation. I will write this implies angle NCD is equal to angle BCN. So call this as equation 2. So in the figure, line BM is parallel to line CN. In the figure, BM is parallel to NC. The reason we have to write angle MBQ is equal to angle NCR is equal to 90 degree. You may ask why it is 90 degree, because we have drawn MB perpendicular to PQ and NC perpendicular to RS. Therefore, angle MBQ and angle NCR measures 90 degree. So there is a reason why BM is parallel to NC. Now, angle MBC is equal to angle BCN. Say angle MBC is equal to angle BCN. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Why they are found? Because BM is parallel to NC and BC is a transversal. So MBC is equal to BC. Call this as equation 3. Substituting above means angle MBC is equal to BCN above in equation 2. See, MBC is equal to BCN. In the place of BCN, I will write MBC. So substituting BCN by MBC. So we get NCD, angle NCD is equal to angle MBC. I will call this as equation 4. Now, I have to compare equation 1 and 4. I am comparing equation 1 and 4. Compare equations 1 and 4. So, look at the equation 1 and 4. The right hand sides are equal. The things equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So, therefore, left hand sides of the equation will be equal. Therefore, ABM, angle ABM is equal to angle NCD by axiom 1. Things equal to same thing are equal to one another. So, we got ABM is equal to NCD. I will call this as equation 5. Now, adding equation 3 and 5. So, I am going to add equations 3 and 5. I am going to add equation 3 and 5. So, MBC plus ABM, angle MBC plus ABM equal to BCN, angle BCN plus angle NCD. So, I have added equations 3 and 5. MBC plus ABM. MBC plus ABM. If you add angle, you will get angle ABC. Angle ABC. When we add angle BCN and NCD, BCN and NCD will get angle BCD. So what type of angles are these? Alternate angle. Since alternate angles are equal, since alternate angles are equal, AB line AB must be parallel to CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD, hence proved. So, what we are supposed to prove? AB parallel to CD. We have proved AB parallel to CD.